With nearly 50 years of professional experience, Leslie P. Antalffy has worked with Fluor Enterprises as the Senior Mechanical Engineering Director since 1995, as well as the Executive Director of Process Technology and Engineering since 2008. Additionally, he has been honored as a Senior Fellow by Fluor Enterprises in Houston, Texas since 1995. A native of Budapest, Hungary, Mr. Antalffy commenced his career as a mechanical engineer with T. O'Connor & Sons from 1968 to 1969. During this time, he pursued an education at the University of Adelaide, earning a Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering in 1970. Mr. Antalffy would go on to hold the positions of vessel engineer for the Loomis Company from 1970 to 1971, a vessel engineer with A.G. McKee & Company in 1972, and a senior vessel engineer for the Loomis Company from 1972 to 1973. Following these appointments, Mr. Antalffy made his way to the United States in 1973, thus beginning his tenure at Fluor Enterprises in the position of senior vessel engineer from 1973 to 1975. While contributing to Fluor as a principal engineer from 1975 to 1980, he concluded his studies at Sam Houston State University, graduating in 1980 with a Master of Business Administration. Prior to his current appointments, he served at Fluor Enterprises as a supervising mechanical engineer from 1980 to 1989 and a mechanical engineer director from 1989 to 1995. Registered as a professional engineer in Texas, he has been further accredited as a chartered professional engineer with Engineers Australia. Mr. Antalffy has found much success with his written works as well, having contributed numerous articles to professional journals. Beyond his efforts within his primary trade, Mr. Antalffy has participated in several technological committees at the American Society of Mechanical Engineers, which has additionally commended him as a lifetime fellow. Likewise, he has presented technical papers at international conferences around the globe. Furthermore, Mr. Antalffy holds 13 patents in his field, a fact he considers as his greatest career achievement to date. In light of his exceptional undertakings, Mr. Antalffy has accrued various accolades and honors throughout his impressive career. In 2017, he was presented with a Lifetime Achievement Award at the awards banquet dinner of the Hydrocarbon Processing Journal. A featured member in the 2018 Marquee Calendar Series, he has been recognized as an industry expert in 2016 and as a distinguished worldwide humanitarian in 2017. Moreover, Mr. Antalffy has been selected for inclusion in many editions of Who's Who in Finance and Industry, Who's Who in America, Who's Who in Science and Engineering, Who's Who in the South and Southwest, and Who's Who in the World. Married to Barbara Ann Clark since 1970, Mr. Antalffy is the proud father of 3 children. He was inspired to enter his field by his parents Vilmos and Margot Antalffy, who encouraged him to garner an education and allowed him to earn experience working on cars during his youth. Looking toward the future, Leslie P. Antalffy hopes to cement his status as a respected and hardworking figure in his areas of expertise.